Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. These police dogs are so funny, you won't believe they're real. Let's watch.
Let's go. Ready?
That's literally Apollo. Yeah.
So this is what we do.
The canine dog is fully enjoying life with his boss after a work day.
Oh my god, the dog's so cute. I love it.
Forget it.
Cash is a retired police canine that still loves to show off his moves, including his tactical flips. His partner later said that Cash wasn't falling, just flying with style.
As you can see, Hercules is really excited to get out there and run off some birds.
A canine patrol dog getting ready for duty and his really funny actions.
I wear these booties today because we're in a heat advisory and it's very hot outside and even hotter on the blacktop. So Chris wants to make sure we protect his paws when out there.
Hey.
Oh, it is not as cold. Wait.
She's like, "Where did he go?" and carefully searches everywhere. It's really funny.
These Secret Service agents are tasked with protecting the White House. But when DC became a winter wonderland, even one of the most highly trained and dedicated canines on Earth couldn't resist taking a brief...
The canine working dog works hard and plays even harder.
Parkour!
You have to admit, those canine dogs running around are really adorable.
This is Parkour, internet sensation of 2004.
Well, I got economist and sick right now.
It seems like he wants to say, "Dad, hurry up, please step into the battle."
You gotta load up, but you can't take it with you. You did get it in there. Wow.
The police dog looks like he wanted to play with the puppy. great teamwork spirit between the police dog and his dad.
Really? We walk by you.
K9 working dog Rico is enthusiastically enjoying the fresh snow. He is a hero trying to find a way to save the puppies.
Well, I got a condom and keeping it fixed right now.
The boy doesn't want to clock in, he wants to call in sick. Really funny.
Nasmiyor.
While enjoying some donuts on his lunch break, Deputy Merson decided to release his canine partner to see what would happen. And the reaction that followed did not disappoint. I guess not every officer can resist the temptation of a delicious donut.
The smartest police dog ever, he can get into the vehicle and open and close the doors.
Bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
This seems like quite a relaxed work day for the K9 dog with his leisurely steps. his tail wagging while he's flying through the air. So adorable. It seems like he's found something and doesn't want to leave.
La policía, no.
Can I get a pump cup too? For this guy? Oh my goodness. Because he knows where I'm at right now. And he's trying to lick my That's right. That's mine. Y'all have a good day.
And as soon as they got his puppuccino, Rex was ready to drink his hard-earned treat. And he wasn't going to let anyone stop him.
Hut! Hut! Let's go.
After being given a mild sedative so the vet could remove a broken toenail, this police canine was trying his best not to fall asleep, and it was absolutely hilarious. He even started to fall asleep while still standing up, but he barely managed to stay awake, just wanting to help out on the job.
NYPDs. That is new bitch.
It's been a long day at the sheriff's office, and if you were wondering how training has been going for Strider, the therapy canine, he'd probably tell you he's clocking out for the day, but he'll be resuming his duties tomorrow after a nice long nap.
He's on his back. See that? He's telling you he's safe. There you go. Nice and easy. This guy's got special training for kids with autism. He's learned how to stay calm.
This Disney security dog was a good boy.
This police dog has the best job in the world that every dog dreams of.
Oh, he's definitely a good boy.
He says, I want to work during my working hours.
Good boy. Good boy.
No. No. No, he's sleeping. You can go to sleep.
Good. Good boy. Good man. Good man.
As posturas dela aí. Isso aqui, ó. Isso que é postura. Mostrando o peitinho. Olha a cara disso. Quase que vergonha na cara, né?
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day.
No. Nico, no.
He's like, I smell way more than just potato chips in that bag. Let me take a look.
Look what.
He looked around first. Is anyone watching? No. Okay. It's amazing because it's her first time seeing snow. The K9 on duty is really funny. The boy is so adorable. I hope he gets all the rewards.
Oh my god.
Okay, hi.
Biztos, hogy ki tudja szagolni a kábítószert?
Igen.
Úgy néz ki, mint aki szedi.
Adj neki egy parancsot, ugrani fog.
Ez? Hogyan?
Winters in South Dakota can get seriously cold. So Rapid City Police got all their canine officers some new shoes.
A service dog tries on winter boots with a funny walk and instant regret.
But Canine Officer Gary had a bit of trouble walking in his new gear and ran around like he was wearing kitten mittens for a few.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
She hasn't seen her friend in a month, and he finally came to see her. She knows he's here.
This is the difference between support animals and service animals. So funny.
She got so excited, and they played for an hour straight.
I need to quickly run to the store to get a few things. I need some bread, milk, chicken, eggs, cocaine. Just kidding. Relax.
Do people think she's a retired officer? even though her moves are still very professional.
Just kidding. Relax.
And spin back.
Leave it. Drop it. Back off.
He's so cute. It seems like he wants to say, "Let's go eat early." Really funny.
¡Suéltame, hijo de la chingada! ¡Suéltame, hijo de la chingada!
¿Ah? After being given a mild sedative so the vet could remove a broken toenail, this police canine was trying.
It looks like he's thinking, "I'm on alert." No, I'm not on alert.
He even started to fall asleep while still standing up, but he barely managed to stay awake, just wanting to help out on the job.
There's rain containment. Oops, someone got a zoom.
So cute. She'll probably need some time to get used to them.
You okay? Hey, can you look at me? Can you look at me? What happened?
When God sends you a funny police dog. Funniest dog video of 2026.
Good boy.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Oh, so cute. Oh, if dogs can pray, can we still pray?
When one NYPD officer is scared of baby golden, you know you'll always be protected. Watch till the end.
You scared of this dog?
Yeah, I don't get it. Honestly though, thanks NYPD for all the love.
Call 25-6439. Hi, Moses. Say hi, Moses. That's a good boy.
He is traumatized. A distant stare with an anxious expression.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What? What? What are you doing, man? Wake up. You ready to go work? You ready to go work? You ready?
The dog actually said, "Will you give me your service weapon?"
POV. You're spending the night in the airport and see the police dogs having a break from the service.
Watching them slide on the tile floor is so cute and funny.
Good my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
It's like driving with Maya. Wait for it. Hi, Maya. Oh, okay. Como. Back. Nope. Oh, what'd you see? Oh. Is there another car?
Even though he's a service dog, he's still like a child when he gets candy.
It's just a mirror, bud. You good. Come on. Ha! Don't let it mess with you. Let's go.
Oh, please don't find drugs. Please don't find drugs. Please don't find the drugs.
Man, I got a card for that. I got a card for that.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay positive.